How to log in to Facebook using Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log into Facebook using Instagram. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Just in case if you have forgotten your Facebook password and are not being able to log into your Facebook account, then you can always do it from Instagram account if you have connected your accounts. So go ahead and open Instagram on your device and make sure you are logged in and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Under your account, tap on the account center option and then tap on profiles. Here as you can see, my account and Instagram account are connected to each other. If you have not connected, then you can tap on add accounts and connect your Facebook account to Instagram account. Now go back and tap on the logging in with accounts option and further select allow all accounts to log into each other radio button. You will then be asked to enter your Instagram password, so go ahead and enter that and further tap on continue, and this is how you can log into Facebook using Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.